In the mining industry, drones are pivotal in improving safety, efficiency, and site evaluation. By conducting aerial surveys and utilizing advanced mapping technology, drones offer a detailed view of mining operations, terrain challenges, and resource distribution. This information is crucial for site planning, optimizing the extraction process, and monitoring environmental impact. Drones also play a key role in ensuring the safety of workers by providing real-time surveillance of hazardous areas and detecting potential risks such as unstable slopes or equipment malfunctions. With the capability to collect and analyze vast amounts of data quickly, drones help mining companies to enhance productivity, reduce operational costs, and comply with environmental regulations.